Alright, so I just bought this Sony WH-1000XM4. It's the latest model for this series. This has been released for like a couple of months ago. Now, if you're gonna buy this at your local store or Sony store, then it's gonna cost you for about $17,999 if it's on sale. Now, this one actually cost me online for about $13,500. If you want to take a look at that product, I've put the link down on the description below. So in this video, we're just gonna take a look at if this product is really legit, and hopefully that will help you decide if you want to buy this online for a cheaper cost. So let's go and take a look at the product itself. As for the box, it seems pretty legit, really the premium kind of feel, the matte texture. And when you try to open this one up, it also has this easy setup configuration, and also some paperwork, and the pouch itself together with the headset. Now, when I bought this headset, I was worried that it has a Chinese language, but it's not really a big problem, but it's really better to have the English version or the global version. And the seller told me that it was made in Malaysia, which you can find here that it's really made in Malaysia. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the headset now. So I've been using this headset for just about like 2 weeks ago. So this is the product. What we have here is the gray version or the gold version. They also have the black option for this. And all I can say that it's really premium and legit. The quality itself, and also there's a sign again here for that it's made in Malaysia. It is also capable of all the features that like the noise cancelling and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use my mobile phone and go to the Sony app. And we're gonna turn on the headset. Alright, so we're gonna try to connect our mobile phone to our headset using the NFC feature. As you can see, it's connected. And we go to the headphones app from Sony, and it was able to detect the WH-1000XM4. The difference between the XM3 and the XM4, which is this one, is that it can pair with 2 devices at the same time. On this app, as you can see, the number 1 is not connected. It's my other device at home, which I didn't bring it here. So as you can see, the number 2, the Mi 10T, which is this phone, is now connected to this headset. And the adaptive sound control, you can also turn it on here. Okay, so the ambient sound control is now activated. We can also disable it if you don't want it. And it's now activated now. And this is also a new feature for the XM4, which is speak to chat. So what does this feature do? It will stop your music when you're trying to speak. So this feature has its cons and pros. Let's say if you want to sing along with your music, then you definitely need to turn it off. But if you just want to listen and isolate yourself, and when you want to speak with someone and you don't want to press any buttons just to hear what the person is saying, then you will definitely take advantage of this feature. Now what we have here is the noise cancelling optimizer. Now moving on, there is also a noise cancelling optimizer here. You can set it up. And the equalizer, you can just turn it off for now. And we also have this 360 reality audio setup. Now it definitely has all the features that the 1000XM4 should have. It comes with this adapter, and it also has the 3.5mm jack. And this is the charging cable, which is the USB-C to USB-A. Overall, this product is really a great buy. As for the reviews for this headset, there's a lot of reviews here on YouTube about this headset because this is quite famous for its noise cancelling feature. This is one of the best noise cancelling headset that you can find on the market right now, and at a lower cost. There's only one downside though, and that's the warranty. So if you're gonna buy this online just like I did, which I bought it at Lazada for about 13,500, and on the original store it's about 18,000 pesos, then what you're risking is the warranty. I don't think that they're gonna warranty this here, but I'm not so sure if the Sony local store is gonna cater that. And also the online seller will only tell you that it only has a 1-month warranty rather than having a 1-year warranty at the Sony local store. So yeah, so I think that's about it. I hope that it helped you decide if you want to buy this online or at the local store. you're going to spend about 5,000 pesos just for that warranty. So it's really up to you if you want to avail that warranty, or you will rather have a headset that is 5,000 cheaper with just 1 month of warranty. Again, this is legit and it's the global version. If you want to buy it, just click on that link down on the description below and smash that like button if this video helped you. Subscribe to show support to my channel. Again, I'm Kuya Buzz. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.